Hello to all those who have a bot in a SmartBots land or want to launch their own bot after watching this video. I'm Mahta from SmartBots land team, and in this video I want to talk about group management. So we help you to manage your Telegram groups. Our bot allows users to follow group rules, or if you want to give a special point to some of your users, you can do this by using this bot and many other features that I want to explain you. First, if you have created your bot with bot folder, click on bot folder. Click on start, tap my bots. You can see your bots. Click on the bot you want to manage your group with. I want to manage my group with this bot, and click on bot setting, then tap group privacy. If privacy mode is enabled, it is okay, but when it is disabled, you should turn it off. This is the group that I want to manage it with my bot. Okay, for the first step, you should add your bot to this group. Click on this button. This is my bot and I'm adding it. Yes, click on add. Yeah, you can see my bot. You should promote your bot to admin. Okay, click on it, select promote to admin and click on save. Now your bot can change your group and manage your group. Go to SmartBots land panel. First click on login, write down your information, then click on sign in. So in left bar we have an option like group and channel. Click on it, click on group management. Here you can see all the groups that your bot is a member of, and if you want your bot manage your group, your bot should be the admin of your group. The second step, you should click on this button, setting button. Yes, you can adjust all these settings according to your need. For example, when the group is locked, no one can chat in your group, and if someone sends a message to your group, its message will be deleted. And in this section, advertisement lock. When the link is locked, no one can send a link to your group. When you lock the ad sign, no one can send message with ad sign to your group. Let's try one of them. I locked the link. And in this section, media lock, you can lock the GIF, video, image, voice, phone number, map, sticker, and file. For example, if you don't like that your users send video GIF, you can lock them. If you don't like that the other robots added to your group, you can lock this section. And what is reply lock? When you change this option to yes, your users cannot reply the messages. And also word lock. If you don't like that your users send some words to your group, you can lock this section. And here you can write the words. It's just an example. There may be one or more channels you wouldn't like that your users forward the message from them. Here you can write the address of the channel. This section is about welcome message. If you have a large group and you don't like that your users see the join or leave message, you can lock this section. You can change this option to yes and set a welcome message here. I want to explain your group activity time. It's so important to set the time in order. For example, if you want that from midnight to 6, and from 22 to midnight, and if you don't set it in order, the bot can't work and lock your group. Sometimes we don't need to set two parts, and I show you. It is, for example, 4 to 22. It's a one day and you don't need to set another time. When the group is locked, you can set a message here, and the message it will send to your users. And also you can set a sticker instead of message, and it will be sent to your users when the group is locked. This is the limitation for who don't obey the rules. This is a temporary punishment. You can set 3, and this is the permanent punishment. For example, I set 7. If your users don't obey the rules once, twice, or 3 times, their message will be deleted. It is okay. But for more than 3 times, for example for 4 times, the bot send a message to the user. For example, it can send, please obey the rules. And more than this time, we can limit our users. and they cannot be active in a group for example 2 days, 3 days. But if they do it for 7 times, we can remove users or restrict users for always. And a sticker, it can be used instead of a spam warning. And member setting, you can set a number of people here, for example 1 or 2. Your users can only send message if she or he has added one person to the group. And also you can set a number here, for example 2. Your users can send file if they have added 2 people. And this is the same as 2 sections before. Your users can send links if they have added 3 people to your group. You can set a specific channel here, and your users can only send message if they have subscribed to this channel. Don't forget to click on save. Let's visit the bot to see these changes. For example, I send a message to this group, hello, and my message is deleted because hello is the word that you don't like your users use it to your group. And I send this gift to group, and my message is deleted. And for example, I want to write hi, and my message has deleted because we set a time for the group, and from 4 to 22 the group is locked. And we can change the setting. And now I write hi. As you can see, it hasn't deleted. For example, I write a phone number and I send it to the group. As you can see, my message is deleted because I have locked phone number and no one can send it. And also I cannot reply the message. If I don't obey the rules more than the specific time that I've set before, bot will restrict me and I can't send message anymore for 2 or 3 days. So my video is done. If you want to manage your group with the bot, you can set up your own bot by using our website. Thanks for your attention.